Hi guys, here's all about our trip from Singapore to Malaysia. We boarded our bus from the Woodlands bus stop. It just takes around 10 minutes to reach the Johor Bahru city of Malaysia. I can see that we have entered Johor Bahru and yes, so excited to explore. So we are traveling on the weekday, so there is less crowd today. But on the weekends, this whole area is completely blocked. You don't have a space to stand. We are waiting in the queue for our turn to come. After the immigration formalities were done, we grabbed a car which we booked on rent for 2 days as we have to travel from the Johor Bahru to the Saru city of Malaysia, and there we have booked a resort for 2 days. So here the name of the resort is Lotus Desaru and I really found it pretty good. We are freshen up and ready to move out for our lunch. The resort seems to be pretty huge and also they have a variety of activities to do inside, like they have separate gym area and swimming pool, also playing area for kids, plus they have variety of cuisines available: Asian cuisine, the Korean cuisine, the seafood. We opted for Asian cuisine as we love the Asian spices. So our one of the main reason to choose this resort was this view. So here we are having our lunch and it looks pretty delicious. This is me while I'm traveling, a happy kid always.
Season 3 है.
The resort also have their own bird paradise and look at these cute birdies. Look at this amazing beautiful sky, and the clouds were also in my favor that day. Everything was so beautiful. After enjoying our lunch and the beautiful vibe of the resort, now we are heading towards the other activity, which is the Tingi Firefly Park, and which was around 45 minutes from our resort. So after reaching here, I found there's another activity of hot air balloons, wherein you can write your wishes and you can fly these balloons up in the sky, wishing for all your wishes coming true. Here we are getting ready to fly our own balloon and wishing that all our wishes do come true.
Yeah. 1, 2.
Everyone say hi. Are you ready?
Yay!
One, two, three. Let go.
Now we are moving ahead for the other activity, which is the fireflies. We are moving ahead towards the boat, which
तेरे
will
पीछे
take us to
हाँ
the fireflies spots.
रुक मैं लव ले रहा हूँ फिर कोई अच्छी जगह बैठ जा पीछे बैठ जाएगा
So here in the boat we have the boat driver plus a guide. Guide asked us not to use our camera's flashlights as the fireflies are too scared of these lights. So this is what I was able to capture without the flashlight, but the view was really very amazing. You can see these are the fireflies. I was not able to capture with the flashlights, but yes, the experience was really very mesmerizing and so soothing to the eyes. Now we are done with the activities of for the day and we are moving back towards a resort. We are back to our resort, and before moving towards our hotel room, we thought of sitting under the moonlight and enjoying this beautiful sea view. This is the second day. Now we have planned the water activity for the day, and we are here at the Adventure Water Park, the Seru Coast.
तो घूमते घूमते
We kept our bags and mobiles in the locker as we were not that comfortable taking our stuff in the water slides. We are back here at the locker area to grab our bags and look at my tired face. We really did enjoyed each and every slide out there, and it really took us back to our childhood when we used to visit these water parks with our school friends, and we used to enjoy the water waves, the pool and the slides. It was really an amazing experience, I would say. After enjoying our evening, we are back again to our resort. We are having our dinner here at the resort, and yes, we ordered for kulfi, and this is what we got. And we were wondering what it is, but it tasted good. This is my best part of the trip, feeling calm under the moonlight and listening to the soothing sounds of the waves. I am so mesmerized by the moon's gentle glow and the sea's peaceful melody. I planned a surprise for my husband as it is his birthday. So I arranged a decoration in our room, and he was really surprised and really very excited and happy.
वो मेल्टर है इसके ऊपर
Happy birthday to you.
टिंग टिंग
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
me.
Deepak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
थैंक यू
This is the third day, and we have checked out of our resort. And while driving back, we visited the fruit farm Desaru, where they had a lot of activities. And but what we did is the animal petting, and that was the best choice, I must say. Loving petting and feeding food to these cute animals really gave me immense joy, and I think this is the best part of the trip. wherein I got to meet these cuties.
गंदे गंदे मन भरा हो गया आजा मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ वो देख
Look at these lovelies, little raccoons. Aren't these the cutest? Ping pong pyang.
बाय दोस्तों.
After this, we tasted the watermelon juice of the Saru's fruit farm, and it was really yummy.
बारी ये आए, बार बार फिर ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
So, after singing this cute birthday song from husband, we are driving back to Johor Bahru, and from there we'll head back to Singapore. We have reached Johor Bahru Mall and thought of going for a relaxing foot massage before heading towards our home. And yes, we are here enjoying, relaxing. Bye bye.